morning, Kevin here. Welcome back for the Love of Tech. And there's another video, and it is about headphones, earbuds, something to do with sound or the lack of sound around us.
It's, Noise Cancellation Day.
There we go, Noise Cancellation Day. We are reviewing a wonderful gift from Soundcore. Here they are. What are these cute little guys called?
The Soundcore Space A40. Sounds like a rapper.
Soundcore Space A40s. It kind of does. And we unboxed it, and Kevin got a chance to check it out. Little clip here on how impressed he was with the noise cancellation. Then,
pretty solid. I can't hear anything outside of the headphones.
The noise cancellation.
I can't hear anything you're saying. Absolutely not. It's completely soundproof. Wow. I'm impressed.
Compared to your opinion of the noise cancellation power, now that you've had a chance to use these and put these through some everyday real world testing, what do you think about them?
Honestly, when I open the box, I feel like I'm proposing. Like, will you cancel my noise?
Will you cancel my noise?
And they did.
They did.
They did an awesome job.
Okay, what about battery life? How did you feel about that?
I did not have them once go dead on me because I'd listen to them all day. I'd have them in my head. By the end of the day, they didn't go dead. I just put them back on the charger. So I really didn't have any issue with them.
There we go.
Best part about it was it actually fit my ear. Both sides of my ear are a little different. They gave you like nice little sizers. So one fit perfect this side, this one fit this side. And they have like different levels. Like you want to cancel some of the noise, like your wife, a little bit. You
wife mode. Woo!
You got kid mode. That's even a little more.
Kid mode.
Then you got lawnmower. I'm on the lawnmower ignoring them all.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
We've got wife, kid, and lawnmower mode. That is awesome.
And they worked on all three.
Yeah. What colors do they come in?
Black. So I guess black, white, navy blue. And I'm gonna have to cheat on this. That's it. That's black. Black, white, navy blue.
Navy blue.
They keep it basic.
They give you three options. They sound amazing. They look great. I also did a review on the Space Q45s. That review and comparison is going to be coming to you in a couple more weeks. Why? Because I'm reviewing them. I'm enjoying them. I am testing them out. And what I can share with you is Soundcore is onto something that nobody else is. Why? Because they're delivering this kind of power for how much?
$100.
$100. That's a pretty good deal. Listen, the world. Everything's more expensive. In a world with prices increasing, Soundcore is not only keeping prices down, but delivering more features for your money.
I haven't had headphones like this. You had to have them over the head. Solid. I mean, I could hear them while I was riding my lawnmower. I mean, I was just bobbing my head while I'm on my lawnmower. Like, this is the best thing ever. I've never had headphones this amazing.
Now, I have a question. Have you ever used earbuds before like this?
No, because I hated the sound quality. It's just horrible.
So this is the kind of system or the product that might actually convert wired earbud person into wireless, because you don't want to sacrifice the quality or the lossless quality of the music in order to have wireless. But now you're not sacrificing. You're getting the sound, you're getting the bass, and you're getting the features of the noise cancellation. You're getting wife mode, you're getting kid mode, and you're getting lawnmower mode.
I was skeptical too, just because these are headphones.
Yeah.
They have a mic built into them. So I was looking at these things like, how am I going to use them while I'm on the phone? I'm listening to my music.
Have you talked to anybody?
Yeah, I have.
Do people are you in the hallway? Can I hear you? No.
They did better on this than you had your old dongle just sitting here like, can you hear me? Yeah. No, this worked better than that.
Okay. And what kind of phone do you use?
iPhone.
So it doesn't matter if you're on Apple, if you're on Android, you can connect through your Bluetooth. And they also have a pretty smart app that comes along with it that helps you activate the features. However, you do not need the app in order to activate the features. Something to be very, very mindful of. Some manufacturers, Sony, make you use their app in order to get all of the features. I hope maybe that has changed with the M5s. I haven't checked, but I hope it has. But with the M3s and the M4s, very frustrating that in order for me to activate the feature that I bought to use on a device, I had to download their proprietary app and activate it through there. It was just like, well, what's the point? Why can't I have a button? You got a button on this.
Well, one of the drawbacks that I had a little difficulty to, nothing bad. I don't even say it's bad.
He's dropping the tank. He's dropping the tank.
I had trouble. Maybe it was my fat fingers, but the reflexes, the touch. I had a hard time getting it to adapt to how many touches or what I was doing. Maybe I just needed to
Like the number of taps?
Yeah.
Maybe you're tapping too hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe it needs a gentler. And you're like,
Yep. My fat.
wow. So there's always room for improvement in anything. So a little bit of feedback for you there. Guys, we're going to go ahead and link in the description places where you can go ahead and click and buy this on Amazon or directly from Soundcore if you so choose. We love if you guys
Just like it.
Just like the video. Leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel, or if you dislike the video, hit the thumbs up button twice.
Oh.
Boom. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.